Hello, members. Uh, Good evening. My name is Simon Peter Nawat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a student of Bulu University, doing what you call higher education certificate in biology and chemistry. Today evening, I'm going to take you through with what you call the information literacy. Introduction to information literacy. We first define what we mean by information literacy. I will give you the importance of information literacy in a digital age. Or let me say in a digital life. That's what they call the importance of what? Information literacy. Then I will also give you the life cycle of information literacy. How this information is transferred. It transferred in which way? From here to the other side through what? Okay, that's what they call life cycle. Let me take you through what they call the introduction to information literacy. Members, I find that definition of information literacy. Information literacy is the ability to recognize when information is needed. That information literacy is the ability to recognize when you need the information and to locate, evaluate, and use that information effectively. It's not just about finding data, but critically assessing it and relevance. So that it's not about only finding data that you're supposed to get what they call the information. It's about what they call assessing. You get from the other source to the other source. When you combine it, you'll get what they call the information. So I will take you through what called the importance in the digital age or in the digital life. So what it means by digital age is in the current situation now we are. Oh, yeah. We have what they call the importance in the digital age. That the information literacy that is very important and in the digital age this time. That with the rise of the internet, social media, and open accessing publishing, information is abundant but not always reliable. You get to this point that with the use of the internet, social media, and open access publishing information, that this information is abundant, is not always reliable. Skills in the scanning trustworthy sources are essential for academic sources, professional work, and informed citizenship. And you go to what they call the life cycle, the information life cycle. That's how this information is. How can you get this information? That information is created. Information is created in a bracket, research, reports, media. That information is created. How can you create this information? You first research, you report, or you get from the media. We have what they call published information. How can you get this published information? You get the published information, for example, you get it from journals, books, websites. So journals you get from wherever someone has written it, from what they call journalism. Oh, a journalist has written something, and you get it. That information, that source of information is called journal. You can also get from the book. First of all, you can either get from, you want to get any information about biology, go to BA, what they call biology functional approach. So we have what they call websites. We have what they call disseminated. How can you get this disseminated information? Through what they call database, libraries, social platforms. How are these things used? They are used for decision making, learning, innovation. That when you get this information from research, report, media, published, disseminated source of information, that you can use it for decision making, learning, innovation, and achieve and achieved. How can you use this? How can you achieve this? You know what they call libraries, repositories. Understanding this life cycles helps us to track the origin and reliability of information. That this life cycle of information helps us to what to track the origin and reliability of what information. Members, this is what we call the introduction to information literacy. Thank you for attending. Next time, I'm going to continue with other parts like the information sources, publish the information sources. So for now, we are going to end here. Thank you. Nice time.